Hello guys, so what I'm going to show you is my little home load shedding solution. So what I've got here, I've got a little Gizzu portable power station. So I've been using this for the past couple of months. Now this is perfect. It's actually ideal for a little home office setup. So if you've got a little home office that you just have one laptop and one monitor, this solution is actually perfect. So with this little device that I've got here, it's actually 150 watts power output. So you can plug in things as long as the output from the device doesn't exceed 150. So this can be maybe about even 5-6 laptops, but you won't get a lot of power from this since this is a 242 watt hour portable power station. Just to show you the device a little bit. So this is the little device. You can actually directly plug in a cable. This is if you want to charge your little your cell phone, iPad, whatever you want to plug in. You can directly charge it over there using that. Also for USB as well, that's type C USB if you want to plug in. It's also got a little torch if you want to use a torch at night. So the thing with charging this thing, it will take you about takes a long time to charge this if it's completely empty. I would say about 5 to 6 hours to completely charge this if the battery is done for. So I'm just going to show you how this works. So the way I use it, I've got a twin plug. So I plug all my devices on this plug here. So I plug all my devices on this plug. So all my devices get plugged in here. So you can see I've got a cell phone. At the moment I've got a MacBook charger, and I've got a Dell charger as well for my Dell laptop over there. Okay, so I just plug this twin plug or multi-plug, whatever they call it, to my little device here. Okay, as you can see, the lights have actually come on over there. Now once all these devices are on, and we are completely charging and the device is charging them, we can actually see the watt output that is being used on the device. So if you can see over there, it's actually using 32 watts now to actually power up those devices. The battery is at 96%, and it shows you how long it might be able to actually charge these devices if this output is kept. So we're able to see how much of this output we will be able to use on this device. So you can plug in, I actually prefer to use this for one laptop and one printer and one monitor. So the second monitor that I use doesn't actually use a lot of power. If you're just using it for a second monitor, if your power is out, this can actually last you about 6 to 8 hours. Just using a second monitor, I use an LG LCD monitor, so it can actually last that long if it's just that LCD monitor. So this is part 1 of the video. In part 2, I'm actually going to show you my setup for Wi-Fi, how I keep my Wi-Fi on when there's load shedding. So please subscribe to the channel and wait for the next video. Thanks for watching.